Hello viewers, today for the initial clean and service we got my General Electric 5050 BTU air conditioner. This is take 3, so unfortunately the first part of the video had some unfortunate mishaps. Those weren't able to be edited out, so we had to restart the whole video. So this is part 1 of the General Electric ASW05LKS1 clean and service procedure. The first thing we had to do was we had to take the side panel off, and we had to disassemble the window bracket, which is when it leans up in the window, leans against the window to hold it in place. And then we had to take the side screws off. Now we had to put the side screws back on because I forgot that we had to have the side screws on in order to allow for a full disassembly. Now it looks like here we have to, looks like we got a little bit of a mishap going on here, a little bit of a freak show. This one side does not want to come off, so what we are going to have to do, we have to carefully pry it off. So what I did is I grabbed a little screwdriver bit and I'm going to carefully pry. There we go, it came off just like that, and you can see it is absolutely filthy. This thing has a ton of hours on it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you how to disassemble it here. And then you'll see the full reassembly in part 4. Oh. And it comes off just like that, so we're going to set the casing over here. It does need to be cleaned. It does need to be cleaned and serviced as well. So now we can get a look at the AC unit itself. The disassembly was quite easy. So here we got a 6-bladed fan on the condenser. Got a blower fan right there. The compressor is a Samsung 39A052 HSC-KA, 115 volts, 60 hertz, single phase. LRA is 23.0. R22, thermally protected. Ooh, made in China. Ooh, made in China. Yeah, this thing is sure starting to sound bad. The compressor is not happy. It's not sounding good at all. And to get a good look at the blower fan here, see what needs to be done. We got our wiring schematic right there. That blower fan is filthy. It does need to be cleaned. Evaporator coil is filthy, needs to be cleaned up as well. This thing has caked up quite a bit of dust over the years. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna proceed to part 2 of this video, which is the test run before the clean and service.